Hello students and learners, welcome to the Brainworks tutorials. I am your teacher Priyanka and today I have come up with a video on preposition MCQ. ये MCQ ICSE के सिलेबस में भी है, बोर्ड्स में भी अभी MCQ क्वेश्चंस आएंगे तो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होने वाले हैं, तो हम उनको सॉल्व करेंगे। इससे ये भी क्लियर हो जाएगा कैसे प्रेपोजिशन के MCQ तुम लोगों को अटेम्प्ट करने हैं, किस तरीके से सॉल्व करना है। तो लैंग्वेज के मैं ऐसे वीडियोस लेकर के आऊँगी आगे और भी। तो आज प्रेपोजिशन से शुरू करते हैं, तो चलो करते हैं अपना फर्स्ट सेंटेंस प्रेपोजिशन का। लिखा है आई हैव बीन वर्किंग डैश मॉर्निंग। नाउ ऑप्शन हमको दिए हुए हैं फ्रॉम, सिंस, सी है फॉर एंड डी है बाय। तो इसका करेक्ट आंसर क्या होगा? आई हैव बीन वर्किंग फ्रॉम मॉर्निंग नहीं, ये रॉन्ग आंसर है, फ्रॉम नहीं होगा। बी नंबर सिंस, हाँ सिंस करेक्ट आंसर होगा, सिंस मॉर्निंग। कोई भी पर्टिकुलर टाइम से, जो प्रीवियसली हम किसी पर्टिकुलर टाइम से चालू करते हैं कुछ भी काम करना, तो उसमें हम सिंस लगाते हैं। तो पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम दिया हुआ है यहाँ पे, मॉर्निंग से शुरू कर रहा है। आई हैव बीन वर्किंग कब से कर रहा है? मॉर्निंग से, तो उसमें होगा सिंस। नंबर 2 लिखा है ही इज़ क्वाइट कॉन्फिडेंट डैश सक्सेस। नाउ द ऑप्शंस फॉर अस आर नंबर ए ऑफ, नंबर बी विथ, नंबर सी फॉर एंड नंबर डी टू। तो इसका करेक्ट आंसर क्या होगा? ही इज़ क्वाइट कॉन्फिडेंट, नंबर ए विल बी द करेक्ट ऑप्शन ऑफ। तो ही इज़ क्वाइट कॉन्फिडेंट ऑफ सक्सेस। तुम लोग भी साथ में सॉल्व करते रहो और वीडियो के साथ सॉल्व करना, और कितने करेक्ट आंसर होते हैं वो कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर लिख करके बताना कि तुम लोगों ने कितने सही किए हैं। नंबर 3 देखते हैं। नंबर 3 में लिखा हुआ है फॉरेस्ट इन अफ्रीका अबाउंड डैश वाइल्ड एनिमल्स। अबाउंड मतलब बहुत सारे, तो भरा हुआ है जिससे। तो फॉरेस्ट इन अफ्रीका अबाउंड डैश वाइल्ड एनिमल्स। नाउ द ऑप्शंस फॉर अस आर नंबर ए ऑफ, अबाउंड ऑफ वाइल्ड एनिमल्स, नंबर बी अबाउंड विथ वाइल्ड एनिमल्स, नंबर सी अबाउंड टू एंड नंबर डी अबाउंड along. So here the correct option will be option number B, that is with, abound with wild animals. In fact अगर इनमें से इन चारों में कहीं ऑप्शन तुमको इन दिखता तो यहाँ इन ऑप्शन भी करेक्ट था, बिकॉज फॉरेस्ट इन अफ्रीका अबाउंड इन वाइल्ड एनिमल्स इज ऑल्सो करेक्ट सेंटेंस। सो कभी भी प्रपोजिशन फिल करने से पहले सेंटेंस पूरा रीड किया करो। बहुत बार हमको सेंटेंस से ही पता चल जाता है दैट विच ऑप्शन विल बी बेस्ट सूटेड। नंबर 4 में आते हैं हम अब। सो 4th इज आई एम एंग्री डैश हिज मिसकंडक्ट। नाउ द ऑप्शंस आर नंबर ए of, I am angry of his misconduct, number B, I am angry with his misconduct, number C, at his misconduct, and number D is on his misconduct. So here the correct option will be at, I am angry at his misconduct. Okay, 4th one, C is the correct option. Now number 5, I do not believe dash your story. So the options are with, I do not believe with your story, through your story, of your story, or in your story. I do not believe, number D, that is option number D, in will be the correct option. I do not believe in your story. There are many examples of appropriate prepositions also. Appropriate preposition होता है, उसमें एक particular preposition ही fill होता है एक word के बाद में, जैसे believe in ही होगा। तो इसके लिए मैंने वैसे options भी रखे हैं इसमें, so that your preparations for prepositions will be best. Okay, now coming to number 6. Now number 6 is I congratulate you dash your success. Now the options are number A of, I congratulate you of your success. No, this is wrong. I congratulate you in your success. This is also wrong. Number C is I congratulate you on your success. Yes, this is correct option, number C, I congratulate you on your success. Number D था I congratulate you for your success. That was also wrong. Okay, so on is the correct option. Now number 7, be not envious dash your brother's position. Envious मतलब किसी चीज़ से ईर्ष्या होनी, जलन होना। तो be not envious dash your brother's position. The options are of, be not envious of your brother's position, be not envious to your brother's position. Number C is in and number D is with. Here the correct option क्या होगा? करेक्ट ऑप्शन होगा नंबर ए ऑफ बी नॉट एनवियस ऑफ योर ब्रदर्स पोजीशन, राइट. तुम लोगों ने जो पहले सोचा था उसके हिसाब से ही देखना और उसके हिसाब से ही मुझे बताना कि कितने तुम लोगों के राइट होते, करेक्ट होते हैं. दैट यू आर गोइंग टू राइट इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. ओके, नाउ मूविंग ऑन टू नंबर 8. नंबर 8 है I am quite familiar dash this place. Now the options are to, familiar to this place. Number B, with, familiar with this place. Number C is of, familiar of this place. Number D is in this place. So here the correct option will be I am quite familiar with this place. That means option number B is correct option. Familiar to is also sometimes used when, for example, if you are making a sentence, his face is familiar dash me. Here the option 2 will be correct option, that his face is familiar to me. We cannot write his face is familiar with me. But this is about a place. I am quite familiar with this place. So here with option is correct option. Now moving on to number 9. Number 9 is be kind dash the poor. Okay, now the options are number A of, be kind of the poor. Obviously it does not make any sense to the sentence. Number B is for, that is also wrong. Number C is with and number D is to. So here option D will be correct option, be kind to the poor. Okay, option number D is correct. Now moving on to number 10. Now number 10 is do not laugh dash a beggar. Okay, do not laugh dash a beggar. Options are to, do not laugh to a beggar. No, it is not right. Do not laugh at a beggar. Do not laugh for a beggar. And number D is do not laugh on a beggar. Here the option B, that is at a beggar, is the correct option. Do not laugh at a beggar. See, sometimes we can use on, but not obviously in this particular sentence, that do not laugh on a beggar. That would be wrong. But do not laugh on in YouTube videos. That may be a correct option. Then we can use on, but here at will be used. Okay, now number 11. Number 11 is he has qualified dash the post. Now the options are number A, in, he has qualified in the post, no. Number B is to the post, no. Number C is for the post and number D is from the post. Number C option here is the correct option, that is for, he has qualified for the post. Post के लिए qualify हो गया, के लिए, that is for. Now number 12. The two brothers were reconciled dash each other. Two brothers were reconciled dash each other. Reconciled means they settled the matter. Okay, उनमें वापस से जो भी अनबन थी वो ठीक हो गई. So they are not hostile now. So the two brothers were reconciled. Number A is to each other. Number B is with each other. Number C is for each other and number D is from each other. Here the correct option will be with, that is option number B. The two brothers were reconciled with each other. Okay, now moving on to number 13. That is, I am quite satisfied dash my income. Options are number A, in, number B, into, number C, about, and number D is with. Here, what do you think, which one will be the correct option? Now the correct option will be number D, with. I am quite satisfied with my income. Now number 14. He sympathized dash me dash my sufferings. So two blanks are there, so two prepositions will be there. He sympathized, number A is to me for my sufferings, that is wrong. Number B, with me in my sufferings. Yes, this is correct. Number B is correct. He sympathized with me in my sufferings. Okay, so number B is correct option. Now moving on to number 15. Number 15 is Milton had a taste dash music. Milton had a taste dash music. Now in music, for music, to music, of music. Milton had a taste dash music. That means he likes music. He can understand music, musical notes. So here the correct option will be for, that is option number B. Milton had a taste for music. Now number 16. He is reduced dash a skeleton. That means he has become so thin that he looks like a skeleton. So he is reduced dash a skeleton. He is reduced with a skeleton. No, this is not correct. In a skeleton, this is also wrong. By a skeleton. Number D is to a skeleton. So here the correct option will be option number D, that is 2. He is reduced to a skeleton. So beforehand he was not so thin like a skeleton. Now he is reduced to a skeleton. Now to number 17. Now number 17 is we started dash Delhi dash 6 o'clock. Now the options are number A, to in. Number B is in at. Number C, for at. And number D, off at. Now see here a particular time has been mentioned, that is 6 o'clock. Okay, this time has been mentioned. So when a time is mentioned, so we are going to use at. Okay, so that means number A option cannot be there because here in is there in the second option. So at is there in number B, number C, number D also. Now if you look at the first blank, we started dash Delhi. So we started in Delhi, does not make any sense. Number C, for Delhi, this is correct. So option number C will be correct option. We started for Delhi at 6 o'clock. So always read the sentence and think about the perfect preposition which can be used in the sentence. Okay, now moving on to number 18. I exchanged a pencil dash my cousin dash a pen. Now the options are with, that is I exchange a pencil with my cousin with a pen. Number B is to, with. Number C is along, for. And number D is with, for. That is I exchange a pencil with my cousin for a pen. So here option number D, that is with, for. This is the correct option. I exchanged a pencil with my cousin for a pen. Now moving on to number 19. Number 19, a goat feeds dash leaves. Options are number A, in, a goat feeds in leaves. No, this is wrong. Number B, with leaves. Number C, about leaves. And number D, on leaves. So here the option number D, that is on leaves, will be the correct option. A goat feeds on leaves. Moving on to our last sentence, 20. Our new teacher is gifted dash eloquence. What do you mean by eloquence? Eloquence means the teacher is gifted with an art of using a language with aptness. Okay, using a language with fluency. So she is fluent, she is very apt in a particular language. So our new teacher is gifted dash eloquence. Now the options are for, gifted for eloquence, no. Gifted in eloquence, number B, this is also wrong. Number C is with eloquence and number D is to eloquence. Now number C here is the correct option. Our new teacher is gifted with eloquence. So here were the 20 sentences, MCQs with prepositions. Hope you have understood this and liked the sentences also. All the sentences are very important and they will help you also to score good marks in your exams, your upcoming exams. I am planning to make more of such videos for your language exam. Do write to me in the comment section which type of MCQs do you want to practice. I'll make the practice videos accordingly. There are many sample papers and MCQ quiz papers also there on my website, that is www.thebrainboxtutorials.com. You can go through the MCQ quizzes there. I'll soon come with next practice video. Till then, keep preparing, keep practicing for your exams. Bye bye, Jai Hind.